back to my channel. In today's video, I am here with a tutorial, I guess. I don't really know. Okay, so I haven't filmed in a hot minute, and my dog, oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know you're like, who are you? Where you been? Literally, it's been like a hot minute since I've been on this channel with the tutorial, and I apologize, but you guys already know. You already know. I go to college, blah, blah, blah. You guys don't want to hear it. But now we're on break, so I'm trying to, get the videos up. But, it's been Christmas. We got to get going. We got to do, our family stuff. So, Today is Christmas Eve, and I want to get this up on Christmas Eve today because I want to do a really quick, easy drugstore Christmas makeup look in case you guys are last minute, you don't know what to do. So I have all these drugstore makeup right in front of me, super easy to get. They should be available still at the drugstore. So yes, I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Ignore my dog in the background. This is just my life, so I thought I would share it with you guys. This is my room, and I'm wearing my pajamas, my slippers. They are polar bears, I think. Cute. So I have a bunch of drugstore eye stuff. Usually I use the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. But if I'm going for a natural look, I'll go in with my Revlon Color Stay brow tint. So if you guys want to see a updated brow routine doing my bushy brows, let me know down below. I've been really into bushy brows lately, and this is what I would use. So if you guys want to see a tutorial on that, let me know down below. But what do I want today? So tomorrow for Christmas, I probably will do just a really nice carved out brow. So that's what we'll do today. So for that, I am taking the e.l.f. brow pencil in a natural brown, and we're gonna, gonna carve these babies out, trying to make them look nice, So let's do that. So I wanted to do a what I got for Christmas video. Let me know down below if you guys would like to see that. I'm not showing off or anything. I know most of the stuff I got because I'm one of them people that just pick clothes out with my parents. I literally just ask for clothes from Forever 21. I'll ask for sweatshirts and stuff. Nothing extravagant at all. So if you guys want to see that, let me know down below. Okay, so to carve my brows out, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I believe this is in Fair Clair. Yeah, in Fair Clair. I'm just going to carve them out. These are the brows, and they don't match. This one has a nice little arch. I can lift it, and this one is just boop. But we're going to deal. So now to set them in place, I'm taking, this is the Maybelline Great Lash Brow Gel. You guys know, for a drugstore brow gel, I absolutely love this. So I like to brush them upwards and to the side, just so it still is kind of bushy, but not, you know what I mean? Now we're going to prime our eyes. So I just have to take my concealer. We're going to go back in with that what is this? Just the L'Oreal concealer, and just prime those eyes. So you guys can you don't even need a primer. You can just use your concealer. Good to go. And I'm taking this big brush just to get the job done. This is a great look if you're rushing, or you don't know what to do and you don't have super expensive products. I think drugstore products work just as well as some high-end, even better. So I got you covered, girls, boys, whatever. I got you covered. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the Wet n Wild Color Iconic Rose in the Hair eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna be taking this white shade just to set that down. Even high-end palettes don't even have a neutral white shade to set your lid, but this one does, and I believe this is $6. Hello, you there? Okay, so since I'm gonna do a red lip, you guys have to do a red lip for Christmas. I'm gonna go in with this shade called Transition. Is this the transition shade in the palette? Kelly, Kelly! If you guys want to follow her on Instagram, I'll leave it right here. Follow her, show her some love. So I'm going to start off by taking this light neutral brown shade. Next color I'm going to go in with is this dark brown shade with that same pointed pencil brush. And just apply this right on that outer corner area. Again, bringing it outwards, kind of winging it out. And then I like applying it really close to the lash line because it adds a little bit of smokiness and dramaticness to the look, which I love. Okay, so now I'm going to carve out the crease. I always do this. I'm going to be taking the Maybelline concealer once again. So now I'm going to go into this pretty gold shade in the palette. It's so pretty. I'm going to put that right over top. Okay, so now for the face, I have a few products to prime with. I'm going to be taking this Revlon oil. There's no name on it, but I absolutely love this. I'll leave it down below for you guys. I'll try to find it, but it's by Revlon, and it's so, so good. It's like this, it's kind of like the ones that you see all the Instagram uses. I'm not like the unicorn drops. That's what this is, but it's an inexpensive version, and it's so, so good, and it smells like a spa. It's so good. I love this. So I'm going to first take this and just put this on my face. Oh, it feels so good, nice and cold. Oh no. So, I actually want to look a little bit more glowy. Where did I put that? So, I'm going to be taking next the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion. You guys know, I used to use this on a daily basis on my channel. So, we're going to go back to it. I don't know why I stopped, but we're going to go back because it's life. You guys know I've been liking doing my foundation a different way. If you guys haven't seen the way I've been liking to do it, it's been in my last 2 videos. I've been doing my foundation like this, but I got it from a YouTuber named Samantha. I'll leave her down below. But I absolutely love doing my foundation this way. It's basically doing your foundation last and doing everything else before it. So like your highlight, your blush, your bronzer, and I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna do it this way. So we're gonna start off. Where's that concealer? We're gonna start off with the concealer again, using the same one. If you guys have an issue with your foundation looking very cakey and just looking like everything's just kind of like on there and it's not melted into your skin properly, or it's not blended and it's very harsh, this way is definitely the way to go. It's so, so good, and I find it to be quicker. I know it's like the same thing, there's no difference, but I really do find it to be a lot quicker. So lately, I've been using these glow drops from L'Oreal. You guys already know I use this one all the time from L'Oreal to apply before my powder highlight. But they have a darker one, and this one is so good to bronze with. So this again is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow Amare Glow Boosting Drops. And this one is a 508 Golden Hour. And this is perfect if you're my skin tone to highlight with. To bronze with. So I'm just going to apply it on the points that I normally would. next thing we're going to do is add some blush. So I'm taking this Revlon, this is their Insta Blush in the shade 300 Rose Gold Kiss. And just like a cream blush. So I just take some on my brush and just apply it to the apples of my cheek. It's very subtle, but it's so pretty. I'm more into bronzer than blush, so this is really nice. And they have a bunch of different colors, I believe. But look at that. Oh, love it. Okay, so then lastly, I'm going to be adding my highlight. So going back in with them L'Oreal drops. This one is in shade 507 Daybreak. So I have two foundations. I have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, or I have the L'Oreal True Match Lumi. Now, I did a whole video on this. It's a really old video, but if you guys want to see it, I'll leave it down below. But for today, we're going to use the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Foundation, but both work really great. Take some on my brush. I don't use too much, and I just kind of dot it around my face, and then we'll blend it in. And you would think that it covers it all up, but it doesn't. It makes everything peek through, and it looks so good. And as you guys see, I just use one whole brush to do my whole face. That's all you need. Love doing this. And it still peeks through. It doesn't look like it's sitting on the skin, it's not blended. It's all peeking through, which I really love. That's why I love doing this. So the next thing I always do is just set a little bit of powder right underneath my eyes, because you don't want your eyes to crease. So I just take a little bit of powder and just set my under eyes. Now, I love this e.l.f. Baked Highlighter and Bronzer Duo. This highlighter is amazing. I'm going to use it actually today because I like going over my highlight just so it stands out a little bit. So I'm just going to take some of that and... Okay, so that is it for the face. So now we're going to finish the eyes. So going back into that palette, I'm going to go in with that first light brown shade and just smoke it out from inner to outer lash line. Actually going just halfway. I'm not going all the way, and it still has some of that brown left, which is perfect. So you don't want to add too much because then it looks like cakey, and I don't like that. So just a little bit. And then taking that dark brown and, you know, just doing a little bit on the outer corner. Apply that gold shade right in the inner corner. And the brow bone. Oh, so good. Basically it for the eyes. I'm just going to pop on some mascara. Where did I put that? So my favorite drugstore mascara is the, what is this? Is this L'Oreal? I believe, yeah. So L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. So good. So I forgot to bring my red lipstick up. It's downstairs with my makeup collection. So I'm just going to be using a lip liner. So for that, I'm going to be taking the Revlon Color Stay Lip Liner in the shade Red. Now, normally, I would either use the Milani red one from the drugstore, or I love this Victoria's Secret one. So good, but it's a drugstore one, so we're going to go with the Revlon one. So that is it for this really easy, simple drugstore Christmas makeup look or holiday makeup look. I hope you guys really enjoy it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays, whatever you celebrate. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!